Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing. This time I'm unboxing the Allure Beauty Box. I did their mega box unboxing here on the channel a while back, and that's what you get as a free gift with your 1-year subscription to Allure Beauty Box. And it was pretty cool, but if you've been subscribed for a while, you probably will have gotten most of the stuff that is in that big bonus beauty box. So for new subscribers, it will be amazing. You'll love it. What it is for $15 a month, they send you a box with at least 2 full-size products and a total of between 5 and 7 products usually. And they're usually pretty good. Allure gets a hold of some pretty good brands. So this is July's box, and here's what we got. So the Allure Beauty Box comes with a little booklet, and it shows you all of the products and all of the prices. And I'll use this to calculate how much our box is worth later. First out is a full-sized Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum, luminous and translucent, with peach extract and peptide complex. Now, I love anything peach, so I'm really excited to try this. I don't know if it actually smells like peach, but it is cruelty-free, toxin-free, gluten-free, and vegan. So I really love that. And this is the first time will have tried a glass skin product, so I'm really excited. It's got a little pump on it. And it is a fairly thin serum. Doesn't smell like peach, but I mean, I'll survive. Now next is the OC Ocean Cleanser. Mineralize and Balance. It is non-toxic, vegan and cruelty-free, gluten-free, and made in California. And this is, and I'm familiar with OC Malibu. I feel like I've tried one of their products before, and that they're kind of all about using things from the sea or like seaweed. Organic seaweed cleansing gel removes surface impurities and excess oils. Vegan lactic acid gently exfoliates to minimize appearance of pores. Lime, cypress, and juniper energize skin and awaken the senses. Seaweed provides mineral-rich hydration, leaving skin balanced, refreshed, and radiant. And it says this also removes makeup. So that is what it looks like. It comes in a, and this is not a full size. I mean, it can't be. I think it's a good, like a deluxe sample size. It's got a little pump. Come on. Oh, I hear it. Here it comes. Here we go. Ooh, that smells good. It's like a fresh, minty herbal. I'm not sure, but it smells pretty darn good. Okay, so, ooh. Next out, we have a sample of the Dr. Jart Every Sunday Mineral Sunscreen. And it's a broad spectrum SPF 50+ sunscreen with UVA and UVB protection, water resistant. Okay, so it's a little natural mineral sunscreen, so that's pretty cool. Next out is the Butter Lip and Cheek Balm, and that is from Botanic Beauty. And this is in the color Peach Blush. And so this is an all over, like, if you saw that Allure Mega Box unboxing, they had the Au Naturel, the multi-stick, and it's very similar to this in that you could use this anywhere. You could use it as blush, as a lipstick, on your eyelids, and it is a very pretty deep peach color. Next out, we have a sample of Avarel Acne Cover Patches. And these are made with Cica, tea tree, and calendula oil on a hydrocolloid patch. And so you put it on your pimples. It's supposed to blend in with all skin types while minimizing the impurities away from your blemish area. And they come in 3 different sizes. I don't know if you can see that on the back. These are the sizes right here. And so this is a sample pack of 8 patches, and I think they come in packs of 40, and you could get them at like CVS, and they're really reasonably priced. Last out is a charcoal mask from Lacos, and we've received some masks from them in the past, and I like the brand, so I'm excited to be able to use this. I don't know if you can see, but I've had a couple of breakouts, so right now charcoal is my friend. So we got two really great full-size products, and I have calculated the value of the samples by taking the full size, the volume of the full size, and dividing it by the volume of the sample size to get a kind of value for the sample size. And the July box had a value of $81.40. That's pretty good for a $15 box. To learn more about the Allure Beauty Box or to subscribe, I will leave my link down below in the description box. That was the Allure Beauty Box for July. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you hit the bell icon, you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. As always, have a wonderful day. Bye. Botanique Beauty. You can use it anywhere on eyes, cheeks, lips, on your eyelids. Oh God, what? I dropped something. What did I drop? Jesus, I'll never find it again. It's fine. Release the hounds. It helps draw the, those are the sizes. Let me cover it with my finger. I think they come in 440. I forgot to do close-ups of everything. Could you not sigh?